So what have you been contributing with at Folkemødet?
I was in a debate about the parental leave, where we were talking about what to do to get more fathers take this parental leave, and what we are doing on CBS to support that.
So what are you doing at CBS?
We are doing a lot of things, especially trying to take care of the academic faculty when they come back from parental leave, to get them in the loop again. And we also do something about the economic side of it to support some of these difficulties that can be addressed when you want to take parental leave.
What keeps the fathers at CBS from taking a parental leave?
I think it's a little bit the same as is the problem in other businesses and other sectors, and it's the idea of not being a part of the career and you're getting out of this loop. That's one of the reasons, and there's also sometimes economic reason that I think it's too expensive because the father has a higher salary, and that affects some of the choices the families make.
Were there anything at the panel debate that you find particularly interesting?
Yes, I think the idea of working with role models also at CBS that takes this parental leave and the fathers. So we highlight, or we talk about people who actually do it in a positive way, and as well our managers have a good talk when people are having kids, according to do you want to take this parental leave with the father and the mother, and how do you want to do this. So we have a positive debate when people are having children.